Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to present a topic of the importance of the education in achieving SDGs by 2030. It's a pleasure to have the opportunity to speak before you today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adam and I'm from Stikas Kuningan. With the end of the MDGs era, which succeeded in reducing the world poor population by almost half. Furthermore, currently entering the era of SDGs. SDGs is a sustainable development goals agreed upon by the UN Forum, United Nations, which has sustainable development agreed by the UN Forum, which has 17 goals. With the SDGs, countries that have curtains on the education problems, especially in Indonesia, can be minimized and even eradicated. Indonesia can be minimized and even alleviate the overall problems of education itself. Sustainable development goals in the field of education, namely increasing opportunities to learning opportunities for all people, ensuring inclusive and equitable education. Starting from the procurement of the Indonesia Pintar programs, 12 years of the compulsory education without fees and everyone without a difference between the middle class and the poor. Anyone without any distinction between the upper middle class and the lower middle class. The implementation, the Merdeka curriculum that revolutionizes the character of the nation's children to be more active, productive, and creative. The distribution of the teachers to remote areas without being missed. And the scholarship launched to increase the spirit of the nation's children. The extension of the scholarship launched to increase enthusiasm in the education circle. The system effective management system that is maintained will be able to be optimize education in Indonesia, so as to be able to produce human research to represent Indonesia in the international market. Education should actually be human capital investment that can create of the competitive climate that allow all people to participate in the international market. Can the create of the competitive climate that allow all people to participate in the education process. With government effort realized for the field of education, it has been able to lift inequality in the field of education, although not yet as a whole overall. An effective management system that is maintained will be able to optimize education in Indonesia. So, as to be able to bring human research, HR, to represent Indonesia in the international market, with the efforts to release and the nation Nawacita, it's evidence of optimizing education toward the sustainable development goals. Before I finish my presentation, let me summarize the main point. Efforts to improve the education sector with a Merdeka curriculum that revolutionizes the character of the nation's children to be more active, productive, and the distribution of teachers to remote areas without being overlooked. And the scholarship launched to increase the enthusiasm of the nation's children as well as effective and minimally management will improve the quality of human research that are able to complete international in improving various exciting sectors. This is a good step that being taken by the Indonesian government to achieve the SDGs Sustainable Development Goals in 2030. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.